Holder, today is absolutely going to very special video for XRP holder. This is very important for XRP holder. So this is just 2 minute video. Please keep watch. They can give you a very good information. If you watch this video, then they can give you a very good decision to you. Just please sell or buy everything in this video absolutely. And also I need your opinion. This is absolutely all holders opinion which we need, so for because I am also XRP holder. So let's get start this brand video price prediction. But I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just click out the subscribe, then I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies, not just XRP, all cryptocurrencies. XRP guys, XRP is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Therefore, I make a video for any small updates, any good news or bad news. So XRP is my favorite. Please subscribe a basic channel. If you are a XRP holder, then absolutely this is good for me and for you. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour result, and then I'm gonna show you the 1 day result, and then we decide to this is selling time or buying time, what's going on in the XRP guys. So first of all, if you can see here, this is last 1 day hour result. This is last 1 hour result, and you can see here the change. You know why XRP as my favorite? I love this because I see this type changes absolutely plus 1.99%. Absolutely they're going up like a rocket. Absolutely XRP is one of fastest cryptocurrencies. You can see here in the graph result, absolutely they can go on like a rocket. This they can go on the moon. You can see here guys, absolutely this is mind-blowing result. If you can see here, the latest price has changed, absolutely changed plus 0.6251 US dollar as the latest price. So this is absolutely mind-blowing price, and I hope they can just cross. My expectation is that they can cross 1 to 10 US dollar. I hope they can cross it easily. So let's get started guys. First of all, 1 day result, let's see, then we decide to this is selling time or buying. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am right, absolutely I am right. The bad days is just our guys. This is absolutely starting good days. This is absolutely XRP days. You can see here plus 6.96%. They can go up like a rocket. Absolutely this is good result. Like you can see here, the latest price is absolutely not gone down. So absolutely this is good for a holder to just buy it. My opinion is that to buy it, please. Absolutely this is good time. You can see here the graph result, there is no dump. You can see here absolutely a small dump. This is not a dump here, okay, but you can see here absolutely like a rocket they can jumping. Absolutely this is good news for XRP holder to just buy it and sell and hold it and wait for the end of this month. Wait for the end of this month and sell it. I hope they can give you a very big amount. They can give you a good profit. They can make you a millionaire. Absolutely they can make you a millionaire. So this is good for you to just hold it, buy it and hold it. Thanks for watching guys. For latest updates, just click on the subscribe button. I hope you subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then I am very happy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.